So my people, you know say, me did I go tell you no in the video we just put up, say, look for cam respond to cause shortly, and people, by the time I put up the video, when me look, the cam that beating cause Chan was start, so me have to go this now people. So me never chat too much, we are gonna get in it, cause I know cam no play with people. And cause say some things for film live way, you know what I mean? Me feel like say cause did him go overboard in a way, you know what I mean? Upon the disrespect kind of level when him call her a long time big woman and you know what I mean, anti cam him know say cam don't like the anti name. People make we get in it.
Naka no water din. Remember say your mother have you KK H&M Cam Fura Uno and none of no father and a KK H&M daddy know where to be found. Cam daddy know where to be found. You don't know your daddy. Move your handicap low like blood clot cause you can't come to body DNA. Where? You're running out of blood. DNA find my father in your blood clot blood. Cause your mama don't know none of daddy. Boy, no make me a sweep road. Don't come here about this. Go suck your mama cause. You breed me and me not give prayer to you. You know why me not give prayer to you? You know why me not put your name on the paper? Your name on prayer H paper? Let me tell you why. Because you don't name Morgan, your name Edwards. Go suck your mama dark shit. And go find your mother. Down at Denham town. And say, mommy come join the blood clot line because I want to know who are my father. Whole Cam on, whole Kima on, whole Sasha on, cause the people them want to name Edwards, not Morgan. And the whole way go line up and go do a DNA. Go suck your mama cause. John Crow, move! I mean, I can't sleep in a car and sell the car for 250,000. And I itch push for your family in there. Thinking boy, you feel a max money. Sometimes I want to hold me head and squeeze it and slam it in the wall because I don't know what the blood clot me that do. I don't know what me that blood clot do. I want young fucking enough. I want all that thumping on my back. John Crow. Oh, DNA. Who is you? You know what DNA from your banner? You 20 bomb buckler too much in your wall. You're the one. You see anybody want blood clot squeeze your head? You better tell them say squeeze your blood clot good. Cause you fuck with the wrong girl. And you nobody feel nobody blood clot tie. Cause me a girl me used to things. And if a man with me blood clot fuck, me mind them. And me never mind you. Talk so me never mind you. Because you is nobody. Me just want to get a one lick so whoop and God come the well honey. I want to fuck and me never have no man. Me that left my man with a Spanish town. I owe you. But if one could dash a prayer come the too old and probably would and dead. But you see me never say all. My dash a prayer blood clot. Who do you know that? Cause me don't want me name called for you. But me have to care her. Cause go beard. Move your dirty blood clot from ya. Go beard! You're nasty like shit. Go beard! Cause Kimberly Morgan. Go beard! And hold your mother on and tell her say let's go. Because I want prayer, dada, the little one who down there, me not style him call him a pitney. The one with just born and the little girl, what's your name? Me never remember that I'm not studying them name. I want my blood clot kids to have the right name and also me. Do that and come back. If you ever do that blood clot, I swear to us, heaven God sun shine. Me take a plane tomorrow morning and come. Do that and come back. Any day. You tell me say come, my mother and me and Dwayne Edwards and the man where they give me with America where they say my father. We are going to do DNA because the people them have to have my name. Because I'm tell you something, God will beat you. You know why? You don't see prayer. You don't look on prayer. Let me ask you. You don't look on prayer. Eh? Because prayer walk like you. Prayer talk like you. Prayer sleep like you. Prayer laugh like you. Prayer is a comedian like you. Cause God I go beat you. Come and suck up my bumble hole. Dark shit. Dark shit. Get out of here. You stupid ass. Move and go bed. Fucking stupid. You can't look on prayer about DNA. Move! What the woman? Blood clot on the ground. Thinking boy. My hate you. Batman. You call for this? You call for this? You wake up and sleeping lightning now. You wake up and sleeping lion. Hey? You never know me to come. Move! You dirty blood clot from here. Mad boy! Father God not give me no more vision about him unless him going to one car go kill him blood clot self. Move! Shit house! I also never come call me name. Batty boy! I'm gonna remind you. Prayer walk like you. Prayer talk like you. Prayer sleep like you. Prayer is a comedian like you. She do every blood clot like you. And prayer.
Some people watch your style now, see? Because me no wrong cause for want a test, you know. You see me? Nothing wrong with that. And if a woman confident, she not go and say no. You know what I mean? Although some woman are gonna say you're mad, you're idiot. I mean no say I feel your one. You see me? But that alone can't satisfy a man. You have to know say yo, that are just a man curiosity and he want satisfy that. You see it? And me feel like say cause mother put them thing there in him head. You know what I mean? If him want DNA test from him woman them when him breed them. You see me? And the one we just born a while ago, me don't know if him do a DNA test or him go do it. But remember, there's more than one way to do things more while, you know. You see it? Cause you want me and all my people. Cause can't say yo, him want the DNA test. And him can't say nothing at all to come. More than him playing father role and Ray. And when come care the picnic come give him and him decide say yo, I hear me come. More than the youth have to spend a week with me or so, you know. And during the week where youth have spend with him, he just go and go do it. Come you know. You know what I mean? When the result come, him see it for himself and him satisfy himself and know say yo Ray, him don't even have to tell her nothing. You understand what I say? Make me know the thing we are going again and watch some more people.
Everybody else will suck your mama and move. Batty boy. Stupid ass motherfucker. Who the fuck send it for me? Eh? You see how me not paying no man and me that cool down? Prayer one for you. Let me ask you. You're broke and hungry and crying and feel shit. You're broke and hungry. You want the fame? Pussy! You want the fame? Go down again and talk for K. What your mother name again? Cheryl Johnson. Go down again and talk for Cheryl Johnson, aka K. The most top go-go dancer and backroad pussy seller. And tell her said, I want to know my father. I want to know who is my father so I can do DNA on my kids. You know what nice? I know what at? You do a DNA upon you and you're not the father. Find a daddy in a foreign. Go pressure blood clot K who is your father, batty boy. Go pressure blood clot K and leave me alone. Remember say me request DNA from you from day one, you know. Remember say me come to Jamaica. Last year when you go out with the fuckery, I come to Jamaica and I said to you, let us meet. And you didn't show up. You run. Because the girl in your head. Cause right now, let me tell you something. You walk a talk to Shana Chin obia yo. And you walk a talk to me obia yo. But let me tell you something. No obia no depend yo. And the Almighty God beat you. And you see this what you do today, you'll get another beating. And every prayer can save you. Meaning the real prayers cannot save you. Because me, I go to God about you. And you're going to end up worse than Brittany Golf. You want to bet? You see the tears that come out of my eye? Watch how God will deal with you. I promise you the blood clot that. Me, come promise you that. Me say me a good on for my knee. For blood clot you. Watch it. Yeah. You're stupid as fuck. You not have a mind of your own. You run to your friend them for why do you for your friend them forgive you? You call Neely for call me. I me say be a bigger person come make him talk to the baby. And you talk to prayer. Me hear something about you. Cause you used to call me like every day, January, February, March. You call me every day to talk to prayer. And you said, but the baby, yeah, prayer have a jolly good time. Kima call me phone and said to me, people may not prove nothing, can't even think of that phone, you know. Kima called my phone and said to me, you not hear what me hear? Me say what? You not hear say the baby father asleep in him car. Me say what you say? She say you not hear say the baby father say because doing him father call me. That's what Kima tell me now. Doing said K call him and said we have to go look about Kimali because Shana Chin mash up Kimali. And I turned to Kima and I said, look here, tell me talk to life on the woman, not no so. The woman no hobby nobody, a bad bless not take cause. And who hobby cause and you want a woman and the girl with no. Then Kima said, no, Kamik, listen to party. Me say what? She says, then you know say Sasha breed and they over Rima because cause go in yard and his mother run him and tell him say in give his sister the room already so he can't come back. And he sell the car for 250,000. Yeah, you can report as much as you know what I care zero because this now feed me. When he sister me call Neely, in friend that a Neely Blacks ran down a milk lane. Neely Blacks say, me ask Neely Blacks. Neely Blacks start give you the book and the receipt. Him say yes, that's true. Cause no live nowhere, cause living in car and him missing flight and him passport and this and that. Me say no, that no look good. True, me and him did that talk, me reach out to him and me say, cause your name a call up in a fuckery, you know. So here what? Me want you fix yourself together. Get yourself together, cause stop going like a boy thing now go work with your youth. Hear what me I said to you. Me ain't ever close like that when I could have tell you something where them attack say, you know. I mean something me know are true. He said to me say, what them I say? Me said to him say, watch and me not go say it to you, but get yourself together. And member say, what's your name? Sasha. Are your baby mother Zane and Yanar must be bex her left and she that people place. You cannot do them thing there and talk about you want DNA from the girl. Go back for the girl. People, that was April, about the first part of April. I can't find me texting on my phone and everything. You see what me I say? When me said that to him say, he sent back a message to me go split.
Hey people, you see what me realize say woman come with energy. Man come with energy too. You see me I say, and depends, you will there with that woman and the whole of your energy get taken away from you. And you wonder what happened to you. You understand me I say? Some woman, them terrible, them wicked. Seeing anyway over there if you find them, I go find that and put it on you. You see me? So sometimes yeah elevate in a life, reach somewhere in a life. Not even so you know if you feel too want there with no bag of girl and them over there because of this or the saltness come enough for the time. You see me, you find a one woman and you say, oh, she I do it, you just continue there with your one woman. You see me, I say, I be some different type of energy some woman come with. You know what I mean? So let me know how to think with people. Come right now, piss the F off. You know what I mean? And me know say this is a good one because come not take nothing lightly. It's like come no bypass nothing about her. If you call her name, she a come address you. You see me? So make watch some more.
Yeah, them come on to my sister no lie me I tell. Him said to me say, me I go get myself together man, come, but you know things not really are going nowhere. And I say, alright then. Me say get yourself together, go back for your baby mother and stop ask for DNA from woman because you and the girl up and down are both. Every picnic where you have your talk about DNA, you need to stop that youth. That I will cause, that I will say to cause, you know. 4 days later, him reply to one of my status them. Then now him and Sasha gone back together. When me take a stop, him block me. Me no question why him block me or anything. Me reach over back to Kima, me say, Kima, you know, say, come like him and block me through, me tell him the truth. And through me, I tell him if he talk to Dada and them thing there, him block me. But you know, so him still wanna pay him no mind. Me not hearing about him until this now. Until this now. You understand? Until this now, people if I lie me, I tell my one God, kill me. Until this now, him never mind I'm own. Until this now, and me talk to him for him take her back. Him and her never there, brother. And me have proof can show no. And I me talk to him and tell him say the girl I breathe take her back, people. You get what me I say? And I so me I say, being as him and her gone back and him block you out of the baby life. Forget about him then. Me no care. So when you come on this, come talk about cause. What the fuck wrong with you, youth? What the fuck wrong with you? You're crazy. Me have proof of everything in my phone. Me have to go search down my phone. What me done? I go see my friend and I send him to my other phone. People, listen. Me now go through this and I go through last year. Me gonna be honest. I'm not gonna do it. Being as them want a hype, but can't take the screen recording thing and this wagwan. But the Zuma come out to me and they come like a them send Zuma and now them a come back with the same thing. People, let me tell you this. Prayer is well taken care of. Your name is not on prayer birth certificate. Okay? I'm gonna be honest with you again. For let peace reign. Keep it this way. Block your mind from this little girl. Stop calling my child name. I won't call your name. I won't call your baby mother's name. Block your mind from my child. Okay? And that's the truth. Block your mind from my child. I'm gonna appreciate that. Listen, me know in your sight and everybody, I'm the bad person. You get me? I'm the bad person. Nobody now like me and I care zero. Prayer not hungry. I don't want a bad blessing over my child life. I don't want no farmer, nothing on my child's life. I stayed prayed up and I prayed up for her. For me, I have to depend on the internet to do this. Avoid me and me avoid you. That's it. And I go even start again. Let me be it. Hi. It's okay. I love you. Okay. So what go on and what there. Z? Peace? Cool? Here we go on now. Prayer is not, you see you want DNA for your own prayer. You own her 2 times already. You own her about 6 times already. So we have a reverse it. Erase. Don't own prayer none at all. We have a erase it. Prayer is not yours. I don't know you.
Mommy,
Yes, ma'am?
I didn't go.
Thank you. Alright? My daughter intelligent. Me can't take it no more. And
Mommy,
you want some money? I don't have it. Probably look for 14,000 we government give me
now.
March. It's still in my account. So we good for that area. Plus the 14,000 what me get from them one year. Plus me accident money. Me kinda nice. A good 40 million I go on my account, 40,000 there. So we alright.
Wow.
Look more. Big up yourself, father. But remember your homework is
What want you?
when you go for your mother and tell her say,
Oh.
when you go through your mother and come back, tell them say we all out do a DNA and come back, right? You know where this come from in the evening, I know, cause but I just live. See? Yeah, come. Remember say you have family and me have family, but my family don't defend me like how you want to defend me. So wherever whole heap of people pan here I take up for you and think, but me don't think nobody in your family nice like prayer, so me have to just go and hold it that way. Big up yourself, yeah. I think me give you a good lashing a while ago and I can't bother with the feet all night. It's going to raise my blood pressure and me mad. Wait a minute.